How to turn off professional mode on Facebook. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Simply go to your profile. After you go to your profile, you'll find three dots beside advertise and below add to story. Click on three dots and here you'll find turn off professional mode option below search and above share profile. Click on it and then click on continue at the bottom. Then click on turn off. After that, close it and then you're good to go. As you can see, professional mode is turned off, and this is how to turn off professional mode on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia, signing off until next time.